Hi and a very good day. So in this video session, I will continue discuss this particular topic under data structure and manipulation. And okay, like I mentioned before this, okay, depending on the types of your object, even we implement the same function such as summary here. Okay, it depends on our type of our object structure. It will give you different kind of output. So that's the thing that I need you guys to understand, okay, when dealing with R function. Okay, so for this video, I will continue discuss about a few more function, which is alright, sort, rank, and order. Okay, so let's take a look at the example. Okay, right, so suppose that you have this particular vector of xs, okay, and you want to sort. I think that you guys very familiar with this particular term. Okay, sort. Right, now we try. Okay, sort. What happened? Okay, when you implement this sort function, okay, you will get this particular output. Again, this is only output. Okay, suppose that you want this output, you have to assign it. When you assign output, it means that you can use it. If suppose that you want to use it later, you can always call by using this particular name instead of you keep calling the sort, so on, right? So this is just an output, okay, without changing the original data. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, you can sort, but as we can see here, when you use sort function, okay, this sort function will give you an increasing order or increasing order. Okay, so suppose that you want a decreasing order or descending order. So what you can do, okay, alright, before that, let's take a look at this sort function. Okay, this sort function, okay, by default, you can check your RStudio. Okay, by default, decreasing is false. So suppose that you don't specify the argument decreasing here, okay, R will understand that you want an increasing order because decreasing is false. Suppose that you want it in another way around, you want a decreasing order, so you just add this argument, decreasing is equals to true, so it will replace the default specification, right? So what you get now, you will have a decreasing order of numbers when you use sort function. Okay, another way you can use the reverse function. Okay, this is the same, you get the same output, okay, even though that different function give the same output, right? So that is you get after you implement this sort function, right? So the next function that I will introduce you is order and rank. All right, okay, so suppose that you have this particular numbers, okay, and sort, right? Okay, so order function will give us the position of the real data after sorting. So what are the meaning behind it, right? Suppose that we run. Okay, as we can see here, the original data is xs. After we sort, okay, what are the element? Okay, this 6 here is the third element from the third position from your original ss. Right, so it means that when you use order function, it is actually give us the position, okay, the position of our element after sorting. So it means that after sorting, your first element is from the previous third element. That's the thing. What about rank? Okay, let's take a look rank. Okay, rank here, it means that, okay, this is your original XS10. Okay, what are the position, okay, when you implement sort? So the position is 2. Okay, 15 is 4. How you distinguish between order and rank? Okay, you can see like this. Okay, for order, you read, okay, first you use the original as S and then you sort as S, correct? So when you sort, you get an increasing order, 6, 10, 13, 15 and 18. To differentiate between order and rank, okay, for order, you read this output first, from sort to the original. So 6, okay, 6 is the third element from before. 10 is the first element from before. 4 is the 13 is the 4 element from before. For rank, you read from XS to sort SS. Okay, 10 is the second element. 15 is the fourth element, and so on. That's how you differentiate between order and rank. Alright, so what are the usage of this particular function? Okay, suppose that now I create a data frame, just as example. Okay, so I create a data frame, which is, this is a name A, B, C, D, E, and we have this particular value XS 10, 15, 6, 13 and 18. Okay, suppose that I want to sort this particular data frame according to XS. Okay, in what? Okay, in descending order. So what we can do, okay, when you want to sort a data frame like this, we need actually an order function here with the help of our square bracket here. Square bracket is for indexing the data frame. Okay, this I will discuss this particular indexing in the next topic, but just for example, okay, so here I use $sign here so that I want to refer for a particular column XS here, okay, by using order function. So what happened when I run this function? Okay, I will get, okay, the name EBDAC, okay, according to XS order, right? So that's the thing. Okay, this is sort, order and rank, right? So in my slide, there is actually more function that you can use. Okay, it is best for you to know better. Okay, so this particularly, do you have to remember all of this function? You don't need to worry. Okay, you don't have to you don't have to memorize all of it, but of course when we work with mathematical functions such as log, absolute, square root and so on, okay, so it is best for you to know how you can write this particular function. Okay, so here is some example. Okay, you can getting the help by using this question mark. Okay, and R will give us the description, and then suppose that you need help but you don't know the specific function. If you use this question mark, you need to know the specific function, then R will give the documentation of that function. But what if we forgot about this particular function? You can use apropos function. Okay, so when you use apropos function, suppose that, okay, apropos mean, so everything that have every function that have means will pop up. As example, I want this actually call mean, so you just ask what is call mean for, and then it will give this particular output, right? Okay, so for this video session, that's it. I will review sort, order, and write, and also how can you get the help if there is a lot of function that you have to work, and sometimes we will forget. Okay, but you don't have to worry when you use RStudio. Okay, they will give us some description here, and then it will say that press F1 for additional help. So that's why I prefer to use RStudio instead of standard ArcGUI. Okay, so I think that's all for this video session. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, you can ask me or reply under the comment. Okay, thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.